Welcome. In front of me I have some multifunctional screen and keyboard cleaning kit. Now I wouldn't say that this is for screen and keyboard, it's more for like phones, so whatever. But anyway, let's pop it open. Now it is more multifunction, so in that aspect that is correct. And just kind of get it. So we have a little bit of a brush right here. So this could be used for cleaning your keyboard. Now below that, we have, if I can figure out how to open it, me and my infinite wisdom and boomerness. Oh, there we go. Damn, that, yep, most certainly a boomer here. So here we got a bunch of tips for different things. So brushes are really soft, actually. So if you're worried about scratching something like on your screen or whatever you're going to be using this, there won't be any problem with that. Then we got, let's see what we got here. All the little pieces. And take that out. There we go. So here we have another one. I honestly have no idea what I'll be using this for. This looks like sandpaper, but feels smooth, like kind of like it's something like this, just a little bit different texture. Under that we have a syringe looking piece. Now it's not sharp, a little bit of a brush at the end. Now this probably would be useful if you're planning to get some gunk out of your charging port. Which way was it? This way? You get a little, whatever that is. Some spray, presumably alcohol. Now, so have a little, it looks like basically a keycap puller, so that would track with the keyboard. Let's see, I actually have a mechanical keyboard right here. I can unplug it just so it doesn't. I am kind of freaked out that these will break. Come on. There we go. So it does pull keycaps. Now if you're planning to get into the switches, that's a little bit of a different story, because yeah, there ain't nothing for switches. Now this keyboard doesn't have a removable switch anyway, so it's not like it would matter. But with that being said, I have honestly no idea what I'll use most of these for keyboard cleaning. I do clean my keyboard, but not with things like this. So yeah, keycap puller, obviously pretty okay. And these would be good if you might want to get into like hard to reach places, like right here. So just yank that off, which, holy crap, is that freaking filthy. Yeah, so this kit will most certainly be good for this keyboard. But yeah, somewhere like in between, that might be good for it. But if you have a keyboard that has removable key switches, or the switches themselves, then this becomes kind of redundant, I would presume. Because most of these will be good for reaching into like hard to reach places, but if you can remove switches, you can literally disassemble the entire keyboard, so this would become a redundant. But nonetheless, there are certain uses for this. Keycap puller, obviously one of them. Some alcohol, I presume alcohol, let's just check. Hello, I need to press it harder. Nope, I think that's just straight up water. Has no scent to it. Obviously, if it would have been alcohol, that would have been probably better. If you're planning to clean electronics, might want to do it with alcohol rather than water. I have no idea what kind of water this is. It could be distilled, which would be a little bit better, but if it's just like a typical tap water, that's I wouldn't recommend using that, to be honest. Now outside that, under under there we got one more part, which, come on. You have a, there we go. So it's about all we have right here. Just a little bit of a pad and Velcro. So there we go. That's the little screen keyboard cleaning kit. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.